Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which can convert any file to PDF. So it's an all-in-one PDF converter for Python. So just search for this package pdfitdown. So this is actually the package here. So the command is simple. You simply execute this command to install this package. I have already installed it. So you can see on their website it has mentioned they can convert Markdown, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, HTML, these files. So it also works on the command line, but let me show you a simple example on Python. So just create a simple app.py file and let me just, as you can see, we have some sample files. We have the Markdown file, we have the Excel file, we have the CSV file, and we also have the PNG and JPG image. So you can see this is actually a Markdown file. This is actually a Excel file. We have a tabular data, and then we have a CSV file. So now let me show you how to convert everything into PDF. So first of all, you require this package from pdfitdown, and it contains this function PDF conversion, and from this you just need to import the converter method. After that you just need to initialize this like this. After initializing it, it contains these series of methods, which is the convert. So here you can actually provide a simple image file. So it takes an argument right here, which is file path. So here you just need to provide your image file where it is located. So my image is located in the images/1.jpg. So I'm taking this example, simple JPG image file. So I need to convert this into PDF. So now let me show you. So as soon as I execute this Python script, you will see on the left hand side it will actually create. So sorry, we do need to make we need to provide the second argument where you need to save your output file. So it takes the second argument, output path. So I will simply say image.pdf. So it will be created in the same directory. So after that we execute this script, you will see on the left hand side it will create this image.pdf. So as you can see, my PDF image is successfully converted to this PDF. I can open this, as you can see. Now similarly we can actually do this for the CSV file. Then we can even do this for the Excel file. We can provide this. Then we can even do this for Markdown file. So again we are using the same method here, convert, but in the file path we are providing CSV file, Excel file, and Markdown file. And here you can change your output file, users.business. And for Markdown file you can provide a title right here like this. So if I execute this now, you will see all the files will be converted one by one to PDF files. So as I execute the script here, so I recently find out this module last week, and it basically solves the problem for all the files. So now this is, you can see this is actually your Markdown file which is converted successfully to PDF. It actually parse all the Markdown. So this is your Markdown file, as you can see, and this is your PDF. And then we also have this CSV file here. The data which is contained in the inside the CSV file is converted. And then we also got the Excel file. All the tabular data has also been converted to PDF. So it's a all-in-one package, guys. If you are looking for a Python library which can actually convert all the files using a single package, then this package is really useful. Simply execute the command to install this. It also works in the command line as well. So the command is simple and they have a nice documentation. So on the command line you simply type pdf it down, you provide the input file name and then the output file name. So this is works in the command line as well. So it's a very good package, definitely use it. and thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.